Well, Houston has reached its peak summer heat, and that means it's peak season for air conditioning companies as well. Tonight, we have a consumer alert for anyone hiring an AC contractor to do any repair work. You want to be on the lookout for technicians using unapproved products to recharge AC units. They can cause damage to your system or even cause a fire. Channel 2's Sarah Donchie has a warning to protect your property.
First, a quick history lesson. For more than 60 years, most home air conditioning systems have used a refrigerant known as R22, commonly known as Freon. But the Environmental Protection Agency is phasing that out in favor of a more efficient coolant, making R22 harder to come by. But it's still in high demand, and the price is now soaring.
One of the rules in our industry is you don't ever mix refrigerants. That's a big no-no.
But that's exactly what some service companies have been caught doing, using alternative coolants that are easier to get and cheaper to buy, but they're also much more dangerous.
A lot of them have propane or butane in them, which obviously can create a fire hazard or an explosion hazard. So it's dangerous for homeowners to handle those refrigerants, and it's illegal to put them in your system.
If you have an air conditioning system that still requires R22 refrigerant, you want to be sure that that's actually what you're getting when you hire a repairman to do work on your house. We're hearing trends of people getting R22A instead, and that can actually damage your system or void your warranty.
R22 comes in a light green tank. It's clearly marked. Ask your technician to show it to you before recharging your system.
Most reputable contractors are not going to sacrifice their good standing in the industry for something like that. That being said, there's shady contractors and shady technicians everywhere.
R22 prices can vary wildly, anywhere from $50 per pound to hundreds of dollars per pound, and that will likely increase as production dwindles. A typical home system needs 4 to 10 pounds of Freon, and industry experts say you might want to consider upgrading your system if the cost of service multiplied by the age of your AC unit is greater than $5,000.